Yeah, well, I'm sorry, you guys. I've been sucking at getting videos. It's just been so chaotic that you guys know how it is. Well, I think I'm gonna throw on the GoPro. We're gonna take Scrappy on the backside, go get away from the chaos. I'm sure nobody's out back.
We're gonna go up to me.
Hopefully I got those shots. Me and Jack were doing some ripping. That was fun. Holy cow, we got a lot of people out here. Hey boss, thank you for that. I needed to go rip.
Just a reason to.
What's up?
Dude, I already had to be pulled back and
You were supposed to check with me before you wore that shirt.
you don't got the hat, so you're not.
I do actually do, but
so you don't got it.
he hasn't washed it.
And Sandy is gonna make me miss Sheila. That was a pretty good wheelie. For two of us that'll like me, we're pretty high up there. That was fun.
I'm still waiting on some parts. But like the stator cover is coming from Mike here pretty soon.
Alright, Alex wants to try the Comanche real quick. Paddles are on backwards, so you can't go too crazy. Oh no. Alex is crazy. Look at it. Oh, those rods. Oh. Hold on. One of one, man. Comanche's out of here. I'm gonna have Dad pull it back so that I don't have to deal with it because I gotta pull all this back. But it was fun. It was fun watching Alex rip it. That got a little sketchy. I wanted to rip it with the paddles backwards too. He looked like he was having too much fun. We're gonna go out, probably mess with some mini quads, have a good time. But the Dunaween was super cool. If you guys didn't make it out to that, the kids love it. Really cool. Say goodbye to the Comanche. She out of here. There she goes. Freaking side-by-side guys don't even help this poor guy take over. Good way to end the night. We got the quads on top. Derek's rolling the whoops. Let's see if he reels them in. Get it, Derek. God, he's gonna have to go around them all. That little single yellow whip, getting it. Heck yeah. What did he beat? Got a Pro R, Can-Am, pretty much the whole fleet at Carl Malone.